since we will be installing Eclipse in a Windows 10 machine. So first, what we need to do is we go to a browser and then we just type Eclipse download. It will direct you to the Eclipse website, and it's eclipse.org/downloads. You just open it and then you click download, and then it will direct you to a country that is nearest to you. So you just click again download, and then you wait for it to finish. I already downloaded my Eclipse installer, so after downloading you will just open it. Okay. Okay, so depending on what programming language you are to write, you choose that. So since we are going to use Eclipse for Java, I will be selecting Java for Java developers. And then this is the installation folder to where it will be installed. And then it's just asking you if you want to create a start menu entry or create a desktop shortcut. So I will uncheck that because I don't like a mess in my desktop. Okay, so install. And then there is a user agreement that you have to accept. So we don't really read these kinds of things, so we just accept. The installation is completed successfully. And then if we want to click launch, the IDE Eclipse will already open. So that is how you install Eclipse IDE in Windows 10.